Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Samukelo Zwane no-Happy Mashane bakuloni laphana kuSwelele FC. Ngifuna ukungena emagameni e-coach weSwelele FC ukuthi wayadlalise noma adlalise laphana uZwane against Orlando Pirates, nanokuthi i-future yabo no-Happy Mashane laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ikhona or ayisekho, because there's no way just i-team nje kulona nje kuphela. Because i-Kaizer Chiefs ngilalele uKaizer Motaung Junior athi bona sebayayistopha lento yokuthi balona ama-players wabo because sometimes awatholi ne-game time, so they would rather keep their players. But-ke laba bawu-2 babalonile, ikhona i-future kubo ku-Kaizer Chiefs or ayisekho na? But-ke soqala emagameni-ke coach eSwelele uLihlono no-CM ukuthi utheni ngoZwane nanokuthi why amdlalisile. Uthi for yena uZwane uyabonisa ukuthi u-ready ngempela, uthi akekho there yet, kusho ukuthi akakafiki to that level or fitness level because of bekangadlali, but uthi uyabona ukuthi uyi-player ngempela elizokwazi uku-contribute laphana kuSwelele FC. Uthi i-challenge ukuthi-ke nalama-player abanawo abawalethile laphana ukuthi bebangatholi game time enough la babuya khona, so basebenza ngama-different aspects of i-game yabo ukuthi ba-improve nanokuthi-ke baqale uku-contribute kangcono laphana ethimini overall. So masibheka i-future yalama-players lawa ayi-2 laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, I mean they find themselves laphana kumele ba-rebuild ama-careers wabo balaphana kuSwelele kumaloni, i-guidance-ke under i-guidance yelokhunjana ya-CM u-coach laphana u-head coach. Yini into e-wrong ngawo lama-player lawa? Why Kaizer Chiefs did they let them go kuloni? Nanokuthi bazobuya laphana ku-form njengoba bengishilo bafethu. I-game time, if like bayahluleka, let's say uHappy Mashane uyahluleka ukuthola i-game time laphana kuSwelele FC, ku-Kaizer Chiefs kusho ukuthi akasena future at all bafethu. You cannot, they can't loan you and then uhluleke ukuthola i-game time then ubuye ethimini ucompete ku-Kaizer Chiefs. There's no way, ayisebenzi kanjalo. Kumele adominate laphana kuSwelele FC, it's not gonna be easy. Ngeke ngakhuluma ngayo ukuthi compete against abo-Neo Rapport, ubani uBaliti, if ngisho kahle igama lakaBafo, ama-right back lawa akwazi even ukudlala as ama-left back akwazi even ukuya phambili abe-offensive, a-dynamic, a-creative overall. uZwane isikhathi sisekhona, I think uZwane yena iminyaka isasesesayidini lakhe bafethu because mncane, early 20s laphana uZwane Happy Mashane late 20s, so i-future mawubheka like i-favor uZwane than uHappy Mashane overall. So I mean uZwane vele umuntu we-academy laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, I mean ama-abilities wakhe bafethu or ama-qualities wakhe, is a good passer of the ball, siyamazi. On his day mefuna ukudlala or medlala kahle laphana uyakwazi uku-contribute ethimini, uyakwazi ukuyiletha ibhalansi. Wapromotha ubani? UZwane, if angilenzi iphutha yakho, sokunesikhashana bampromotile laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bekubonakala ngathi isikhathi sakhe vele siyafika after i-promotion yakhe laphana ku-senior team. Usikhumbule ukuthi uZwane bekawathemba ama-youngsters laphana, immediately-ke wazama I think wadlala igame yakhe against Orlando Pirates yokuqala if angenzi iphutha laphana, i-big moment for any youngster ukuthi adlale Soweto derby. No-Happy Mashane, one of the earliest days wakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs wadlala against Orlando Pirates laphana Soccer City. I won't forget, abamba ibhola alivala, and then yonke i-crowd yahlanya, bonke i-crowd, i-stadium yabo, stadium sa-change. That gave him confidence. I think that time coach lo Ernest Mindid whatever isibongo sakhe lo coach liswaye ngesikhohla. Yeah. So quickly uSamuel Zwane became a fan favorite, even no Happy Mashane laphana. I-composure kaSamuel Zwane laphana ebholeni bafethu akekho too flashy, passing range yakhe ne-awareness yakhe, maturity level yakhe, that time asafika ku-Kaizer Chiefs bekubonakala ngathi uyi-hard worker, but-ke element of laziness from ama-fans ama-complain ukuthi hayi man, i-hard work, i-work rate yakhe incane compared to amanye ama-player, but when he was there aqala ukufika ngikhumbula kahle besebenza, i-work rate yakhe boyibona. So I mean bekubonakala ngathi is the future laphana ku-midfielder, angaba i-engine laphana e-Kaizer Chiefs overall, but-ke ibhola li-cruel bafethu, libuhlungu ibhola. After-ke baloke ba-replace o-coach uSamukelo Zwane-ke ama-minutes wakhe waqala ukudropa kakhulu makuzo-coach aba-different, and ukhumbule ukuthi makuzo-coach aba-different kune-pressure ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ba-deliver ama-results immediately, so ngeke baloke bazama abantu abababonayo, like they don't have time ukuthi baloke banika abantu ama-game time but bangabhiliveli kubo, so bafuna ukuwina ama-game immediately, but-ke yazange kwenzeka, baxoshwa nabo kaloku eku-chopping and changing of ama-coaches, so kwaba inkinga nje laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, kwaba isibhicongo. So Happy Mashane njengoba bengishilo, he was once i-player naleli promising kakhulu laphana ku-left flank bafethu because of i-left back, uyakwazi ku-right ku-left wing uyakwazi, offensive uyakwazi uku-contribute even ukuya phambili laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. And masibheka biggest qualities yakhe ya-Happy Mashaba, what biggest quality in fact is a good passer of the ball. Young man mayefika lapha Kaizer Chiefs, he was confident, left foot yakhe ligudi, fan favorite naye, part of i-Kaizer Chiefs-ke. He was part of i-Kaizer Chiefs that almost won i-league. Yes, yeah, they almost won i-league lapha no-Happy Mashaba mabekhona yena no-Nokovic, but-ke it was i-heartbreak ekugcineni laphana. Bekubonakala ngathi ama-cross yawashaya, khona lokudrebula lokhu okuncane kwakhe, and then-ke unamagoli afika, angazi noma there was a season la ngathi wakore khona amagoli ayi-3, I think it was under uGavin Hunt if angenzi iphutha, like uZwane-ke but inconsistent emagemini wakhe, but abaningi bathi igame yakhe yamosheka la wathola khona i-red card against i-Al Ahly. Yiyo into eyamenza ukuthi i-confidence yakhe i-crash laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and then athole kule space lesi akuso namhlanje ukuthi bagcine bayamlona, nanokuthi bagcine bangasakholelwa kuye laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Wavele wanyamalala nje, i-game time yakhe azange asayithola at all, and for some time ku-Kaizer Chiefs bekubonakala kuthiwa uyahamba njalo, every transfer market kuthiwa uyahamba, but ama-deal collapse. But-ke finally-ke uhambe last day, cause a day before kuvala i-transfer market bekhona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Bengicabanga ukuthi uzosala alwela i-position yakhe yet again. Sikhumbule ukuthi already yena bengekho kuma-plans we-Kaizer Chiefs at all, because akatravelanga nokutravel ne-team bafethu kuye-Netherlands, usalile. And then that was just clear picture ukuthi angeke abe khona ku-Kaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi abamboni as a player ezocontribute ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall, njengoba washiwa kanjalo bafethu. So yeah, promising talent is he has always been promising, but in terms of elevating to the next level, that is the biggest problem. Glimpse of hope so wabonile ku-Happy Mashiyane, even nalaphana ku-continental level, but-ke ama-moment wakhona bengekho enough ukuconvince amanye ama-technical team ukuthi amgcine. Eventually-ke njengoba bengishilo ukuthi baye ku-loan, I mean i-guidance ka-CM uyabhiliva lese kuma-players overall. Sawubona ukuthi already sebadlalile, uHappy Mashiyane sekayitholile i-game time, although uHappy Mashiyane uqala from ebhentshini, isikhathi esiningi bayamnika lawo ma-minute-ke ambalwa. So i-challenge nje ukuthi nje bathola i-game time enough for bona. Imagine if uku-loan udlala ama-game lese-season awu-5 kuphela, you won't go back to Kaizer Chiefs, khohlwa uhluleke uku-contribute, kuswelele ucabanga ukuthi ku-Kaizer Chiefs uzodlala, there's no way. So both nama-player lawa babuya ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, ku-development ye-Kaizer Chiefs, and ama-graduate we-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ku-first team maningi astruggle-ayo ngempela. Even uNgezane laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs at some point bestruggle kakhulu, but-ke nangu uyashayina lena e-Europe, udlala ibhola elisezingeni eliphezulu kakhulu. uNgcobo naye graduate ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke he has been on and off uNgcobo ku-career yakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but this season uyazama ngempela ukuziprove ukuthi uyafuna ukudlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs serious, nanokuthi bambone ukuthi u-serious kangakanani, because uyabona ukuthi amanye ama-player already ayahamba. So ama-graduate amaningi wa-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ayastruggle, amaningi. Radebe, ubani, uSabelo Radebe manje sekadlala lena ebhuqwini. Yeah bafethu kunzima kakhulu overall mesibheka nje, but yeah, sibafisela inhlanhla abadlali bafethu. They're not bad players, but obviously-ke they have to try and come back bafethu, ukuthi babuye and be greater and better, bakwazi ngempela ukuphusha overall, because i-chance isekhona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but ikhona for uZwane la noMashiyane, but i-history ye-Kaizer Chiefs in recent years ababuyi abantu abaya kuma-loan, but ngizoyibamba la, sibafisela inhlanhla. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.